Hey, hello and welcome. In this video, we shall learn how to work with the IM Builder shortcodes of the Extreme Builder. Once inside the Extreme Builder, all we have to do is drag and drop the JavaScript exit pop-up inside the editor pane. Now, once the JavaScript exit pop-up is dropped, let's go and edit the settings of the JavaScript exit pop-up. So what I can do is I can give the redirect URL in case the visitor decides to accept our offer. So suppose I want to redirect it on another page. Let me give the URL is http and google.com. Alright, and the message that I want to display here is we have another offer in store for you. It's free. Alright, so let me save this and let me update this page. So I can also have any other thing on my page, and I just need to put the JavaScript exit pop-up anywhere on this page. So it does not take up any design space. It's just for the sake of adding the pop-up to the page. So now the page has been published. Let me go and open this link in a new tab. There we go. So let me just go and close this page for the exit pop-up to appear. And when I click on this, I get a message for confirm of navigation which says we have another offer in store for you. It's free. Are you sure you want to leave this page? If the person still wants to leave the page will close, and if he selects to stay on this page, I expect that he will be redirected to google.com, which was the link that we had selected earlier. So there we go, stay on this page, redirect it to google.com. So this is how we can work with the JavaScript exit pop-up. Next, let's move ahead and see the another shortcode, which is the lead capture extreme. So the lead capture extreme will actually display an opt-in form where you can capture the leads of the subscribers. Your autoresponder can be integrated with this lead capture extreme from the extreme options panel. Alright, let's go and edit this to see what are the various options that we have over here. So after successful submission, we can either redirect the person to another URL, or we can just display a successful message, and I can write the message text here, thanks for subscribing, something like that. And I can also give this message a custom color, maybe green or something, and I can decide if I want to have the form as a horizontal opt-in form or a vertical form. So right now it is horizontal. Let me select it as vertical and save this. So as soon as I select the vertical, it gets changed. I can also place this inside another container. So let me place this inside a 50% container section, and when I drag and drop this into it, you can see that it will automatically occupy the space of the container section. In case I reduce the size of the container section, it will move accordingly. Alright, so it can actually adjust anywhere, and I can also give a border to this container so that this whole block will come inside a border. I can add an animation to the percentage container section, so that animation will automatically be applied to this. Alright, so let's go back and see what are the other options that we have with the lead capture shortcode. So we have already seen the form type, and we can enable or disable the name field. Let me disable it. And I can also have the placeholder for fields. So I can enable or disable the placeholders. So this is one feature, and if I disable the placeholders, I cannot see anything in the text boxes. If I enable it, I can write a custom message, please input your best mail. Alright, and I can have a placeholder text for the button, subscribe now. Alright, and I can select if I want to disable the rounded borders for the fields, or have them enable. And I can also adjust the font size that will be entered inside the text boxes, and I can also adjust the height of the button. Let me just make it 70 pixels, and I can set the background color of the field. Let me make it as yellow just to show you. and I will give the field border a red color maybe, and the font color will be, let's say this. Alright, and I can enable and disable 3D buttons as well, and I can set a button background color. So the button background color maybe, let's make it green, and the font color is white. Alright, so once I'm done with this, I'll just click on the save button. So there we go. We can see that the form has taken the shape. We have the red border, yellow color. We have changed the color of the button to green, and subscribe now text is coming like this. In case I publish this page and open it in a new tab, alright, so this is how the form will appear. Alright, so this is how we can work with the Extreme Lead Capture shortcode. Let's go and see how we can work with the tagged images. So in order to do that, just drag and drop the tagged image section inside the editor pane, and let's go and add a image. So in order to do that, I'll just click on this add image, and let's say I want to add this image. Alright, so I'll click on the insert and I'll add an image tag. I'll put the location here. I'll add another image tag and maybe here. Alright, so I can go and change the settings of these image tags. So I can set the tooltip position, so it is top centered, and tooltip width I can decide default or medium, uh, and then I can also write the tooltip text. This is tooltip 1, and tooltip styling is default. I can have a tooltip with a drop shadow, and I can also insert a URL when someone clicks on the tooltip, and I can also have an image tag color, so I can define a custom color. For now I'm not changing this, and you can click on the save button. Similarly, I can define the settings of the second tag, and when I'm done with this, I can decide if I want to give this image an animation, and I can also have an image tag layout. So I might want to give numbering, or I might want to have blank image tag, so these numbers will disappear in that case, and let me set it as numbered for now. And I can also select if I want to always show the tooltips or only in the case of mouse hover. So once this is done, I'll just click on the save button, and I expect the image and the tooltips to be here. Alright, so once this is done, I can publish the page and open this link in a new tab, and I expect to see this image along with the various taggings and tooltips. Alright, so this is the image that we had. This is the tag 1, and it is coming white because we had not changed the colors. We can change the colors to our liking, and this is the text number 2. So this is how we can work with the tagged images. I've also created a demo page for you to show how you can work with the tagged images. So like this, you can tag various places and write your tooltips with different styling and all. So this is a really interesting section which captures the attention of the visitors. So that is all with the tagged images. Let's quickly move on to the next builder section, that is the YouTube Marketing Extreme, and this is a very interesting section, and it is dedicated to video marketing. Alright, so what I can do with this section is I can actually upload a YouTube video, and I can show my custom ads or pop-ups, just like you see ads or pop-ups on other videos, and when you click on this, so this is a very interesting section for those who want to get traffic to their offers, and it is really a high converting video marketing trick. So what you have to do is you just need to give the video ID of YouTube. So let's suppose I want to use this video. All I have to do is just copy this. Alright, let me close this for now and paste it here. So I just need to copy the ID of the YouTube video, and I can select if I want to enable or disable the autoplay. I can select if I want to enable or disable the video information, and to enable or disable the controls of the video. I can also add a call to action on the video. So I have to enable this, and as you can see that we immediately get a Vysiwyg editor. Now using this Vysiwyg editor, I can add whatever I want to this video. So I can add a text like this, and then I can go here and add a button. So it'll give me an option to select a button, and I just have to click on save it. So this button will be added over here. Let me just control X and paste it above. So this is how you can insert actually shortcodes from the Vysiwyg editor as well, like this. And I might also want to just add another image to show how this thing works. So I'll just select this image and I want the smallest size. Okay, so insert into page. So this is a really interesting feature, way of working, because like this you can have anything you want. You might upload a normal ad banner as well and make it clickable. So you can add a URL, or you can give a link to this. So I can make this a link, and this will go to http colon google.com maybe, and I can add my affiliate link over here. So when this is done, I can give the background color of this call to action section, and let's keep it white. And the font color for this I can also set the pop-up start time. So this call to action will come as a pop-up, and I can set the start time. Let me set it as 5 seconds and end time as maybe 20 seconds. Alright, so it will start at 5 seconds of the video and automatically end at 20. I can actually increase the time to whatever I want, and I can also have this pop-up to come with a certain animation, maybe a rubber band kind of an animation, and then I'll click on the save button. So once I save this, you will see that the live editor will show you the video coming over here. Let's publish this page and look at how this pop-up comes in real time. Alright, so this is done, and let's open this link in a new tab. Okay, so here is a video. I'm going to play it, and I expect the pop-up to come at 5 seconds. So just wait. There we go. So we have the pop-up over here, and we have button and everything. I click on this caption and it'll take me to google.com. Had it been an affiliate link, I would be taken there. So this is a very crude way of showing you. I've also created some demo pages for you to show how you can more effectively make use of the this feature, YouTube marketing feature. So let me just click on the play button and watch how the pop-up comes at 5 seconds. So I'll just be waiting.
With iPhone and multi-touch,
there we go. So at 5 seconds we have this pop-up of buy now, and I can actually give a link behind this image. So whenever someone clicks on this buy now button, they'll be taken to that page, and you can earn affiliate commissions. So I can also close this pop-up by using this button over here, and it will not appear again. So this is one way of doing it. And next what I can do is I'm going to again play this video, and this is another demo of it. I'm just going to reduce the voice a bit.
With iPhone and multi-touch,
so 5 seconds we have another pop-up. I can click on this button and it will take me there. Let me show you another example. So play.
With iPhone and multi-touch,
yeah, there we go. So I've put a 728 by 90 banner ad here, and people can click on this ad and go to the link they like. So this is how you can make use of the YouTube marketing shortcode of the Xtreme Builder, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.